Okay, so you want to create a Zoom meeting? I have the solution for you. This is very simple. The first thing you have to do is create a Zoom account. You can do it with Google or you can do it with your email and you will appear in this website. You have to press the button schedule, press it, and then you will be brought to this website when you have to change the name to the where you have to change the meeting name. For example, I don't know, math. Then you have to choose when it will start. I will choose it for today and the date. The duration of it, you can only do 40 minutes if you are new into Zoom and you don't have a plan. So I'm going to do it like 30 minutes. You have to choose the time, for example, Pacific time, US. Here you have to choose the email to the people that is going to join, but you can accept people to join, so don't worry. Here a template, you don't have any templates, and a passcode. So when you send the people to the link, when you send the link to the people, they have to write this code, so you have to save it. Okay, so there are some options for video for host and participants, then save, and you will receive this link that you have to send to your people that want to join your meeting. And here is the passcode. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you in the next Easy Way video. Goodbye.